Namaskaram, welcome back to my channel on day 2. Today it is another interesting smoothie recipe. Hope you all have tried my yesterday's recipe. If you have not tried, please do try. It's so delicious and tasty and also very healthy. So without taking much of your time, let's get started. To prepare this smoothie, take 1 green apple. You can even use red apple but remove the peel. Add 1 guava diced, 1 cup of green grapes, 4 to 5 pudina leaves, 1/4 teaspoon of black salt. Adding black salt is completely optional. To enhance the taste, I have added a bit, otherwise it is a personal choice. Finally, add 1.5 cups of water. This green breakfast smoothie is very refreshing to start your day. Since it has got citrus content, please avoid drinking on empty stomach. As I have already said, these smoothies are served along with breakfast. This smoothie has to be strained as it has got seeds of guava in it. Just to remove the residue, we have to do this process. Look at that, it is so pulpy, isn't it? If you like the crunchiness of seeds, avoid straining and enjoy it directly. See, this is how it looks. I have squeezed out all the pulp. Our refreshing and nutrient-rich green smoothie is ready to be served. Hope you all liked my today's video. Tomorrow we'll meet you again. Until then, take care. Bye.